Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. The process is very simple. All you want to do is click on the Play Store, though it will require you to have logged into your Google account. And now simply hit search and start typing Facebook. After you will see your Facebook, you want to simply hit install, and now your Facebook is installing. As you can see, the process is very quick, and then all you want to do is simply hit open, log in into your Facebook account, and you're good to scrolling endlessly. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.